front of me is our Magic V6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on System and Updates. Then select Language and Input, Gboard over here, and finally Text Correction. Now, when you're ready, just click on this switcher next to autocorrection to turn it off or switch it on. I always recommend, if you do decide you want to use autocorrection, to also try this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace thanks to this switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!